big burping Gaia. Hey Gaia. Oh jeez. That was a big one. Yeah, that was. That was a big burp. Say hey.
Security chief Zhou Yonggang is under investigation. He is the most senior figure ever caught up in a corruption probe. David McKenzie has more on what it all means. Announcement: the ruling Communist Party dropped a political bombshell in China.
Love you, Gaia.
Once an untouchable leader, now investigated for suspected serious disciplinary violations, likely ensnared as part of a massive anti-corruption drive.
She's sleeping.
The significance of a move against Kang on the part of the Chinese government is that there will be a departure from